Yes, good morning everyone. So let's start the June 2023. This is your June 2023. Let's start it. So here those who are using app, those who will using app, for them so it is very good that yes you can see this. You can see this and you can check it. I will start the poll. Definitely I will start the poll. After that you can mark on the answer. But this is whenever someone else will watch from recording, those who will watch the recorded version, poll will not work from them. For you, poll will not work. Poll will not work for you. So I am starting the poll. Answer on the poll. And I have added another option E. If you are not able to understand, then you can click on E. If you are not able to understand, then you can click on E. Those who are able to understand, they can mark. Those who are not able to understand, they can click on E. Yes, I can see 8% students are clicking on E because you are not able to. No, 13% students are clicking on E because you are not able to understand it. Acha. Correct. How many questions are doing? How many students? 61% students are doing correct. 51. 60. Okay, 55% students are correct. Here I can see 55% students are correct. Okay, so let me explain. Not getting poll. Yes, you can refresh. You can update your app, and in the chat section you can get the poll. Please, those who are not getting poll, update your app. In the chat section, after the chat there is a poll option is coming. You can see. Please, other student, help them how they can get the poll. Those who are not getting poll, why they are not getting poll, please help them. Everyone, please help them. Okay, so here what will be happen? See, consider the following statement. Here it is given. Consider the following statement. Dynamic metric are called by measured made of the program of execution, and it is the static metric. Static metric are called by measurement made by the representation. Okay, so what is static metric? What is dynamic metric? We learn the metric. Metric means what? Metric means where we are doing measurement, right? We learn that different types of metric in software engineering. We learn that. Static means fixed and dynamic means in execution. Here is the static and dynamic metrics. What is the meaning? Product metric of the software product are any stage. It is in any stage. Their development, it can be from requirement establishment also. These are related to the features. Metric means these are related to the features, and product metric fall in two types. Dynamic metrics are collected by measurement when program is in execution. That is, dynamically program is executing. That's why it is dynamic metrics. And static metric means that is fixed. Fixed means when you are collecting that, when the design, program, documentation, means actually program execution is not there. We are in the planning phase, we are in the design phase, then in documentation we are doing it, statically we are doing it, then it is called the static metrics. And these are collecting measurement in the system representation such as design, program and documentation. That is called static metric and dynamic metric. So from here you can get the more detail of dynamic metric. Here efficiency, reliability of the program and dynamic metric are closely related to the software quality. Here quality is matters. And here these are the some more product metric. What is fan out, fan in, fan out, length of the code, cyclomatic complexity, length of the identifier, depth condition nesting, and fog index. Because whenever you are doing PYQs, not only that question, related some concept also you should learn, so that next time if you are not able to do that, means if you next time maybe from this area they can ask question. That's why some related topic also we should learn. Now you can see, yes, that's why your answer will be here. Here you can see what was your answer. Answer will be definitely dynamic metric are collected in the program in execution. That is correct. That is dynamic only. Static metrics collected in the measurement of the statement. That is correct. The assessment of the software quality is an objective process. It is an subjective. Here quality, whenever you are assessing the software quality, quality is depending at qualitative research, quantitative research you learn. Qualitative research means it is depending on your perspective. Some of you are thinking that it is good quality, some of you will think that no, it is bad quality, right? It's depending on you. I will say no, it is good, you will say no, it is bad. So it is a subject to your perception. So that's why this one is wrong. Here important part, quality assurance selection standard should be applied in software development. That is correct, because important selection standard should be there. How you are selecting, how you are doing it. Got it? Clear? That is the answer. Ma'am, extra matrix have to write in copy as a one-liner. Ma'am, yes, you can, definitely you can, and I will provide the PDF also. You can download the PDF. Those who are not getting poll, please update your app. If you did not update your app, then please update your app, because the poll feature added in the updated version. Please update your app, you will get it. Okay, okay. Now yes, after updation definitely you will get it. In the chat box where the poll is coming, guys, you can see I am showing you. In the chat box, in the chat section, wherever the chat section is there, in the chat section, go down, there you can see that. Okay, go down, and a arrow is coming. A arrow is coming, blue color arrow. You can click on blue color arrow, then you can. Okay? Okay. Now do this one. Read the question and do it. Read the question very carefully, then I will start the poll. Read it very carefully. Okay, done. Now I am starting the poll. So your time starts now. Answer on the poll, everyone. Yes, all are correct. Now I can see no. Oh, I forgot to add the option E. Sorry. I forgot to add the option E. I'm sorry. Sorry, you can write the chat box. I will add option E from next. 75% correct answer. Those who are waiting in hand raise, before ending the class for 10 minutes I will discuss with you. Okay, before ending the class, last 5 minutes, 10 minutes, not last 5 minutes, I can take your call. 74% correct answer. Yes. So here what is the answer and why this is the answer? Here it is given that two statements are given to you. One is given as interaction level. At the interaction level, component provide an operator display interface and an interface with the communication system used. Okay. So here what is going on interface, what is going on in interaction level. This is in interactive level, and here it is given at the input output management level, where we are handling input output management and where we are handling interaction, that is given here. Input output means what? Input output means whenever using this unified study app, you are coming to the app, you are installing the app. After that you have to register into the app with your name, email ID, and after that your phone number. With that you can see, you are entering that. So the system is collecting your user ID, your mail ID, your phone number. System is collecting, that is a input. And output is what? Output is that what I can see, yes, how many students are enrolled here. If you are paying for that, then I can see that yes, you paid for that. So these are the input output, what we are storing into the database, what we are handling with the data of the input, that is input output. So component level handle operator authentication, report generation, and query manager. Interaction level means in the class, in the chat, you are interacting with me. I am giving you poll, you are answering in the poll, and you will raise the hand, I will talk with you. That is the interaction level, right? So here the display, even also display interface, through the interface you are interacting, you are chatting, you are marking on the poll. I can see yes, you marked on the poll. That is a communication system is going on, interaction is going on between you and me. That is interactive system. That's why definitely statement 1 and statement 2 is correct. Okay. Yes. Leaderboard, I this is your leaderboard. You can see the leaderboard also. I enable the leaderboard. You can see in the chat box there is view leaderboard option. I enable the leaderboard. Till now I can see Deepa 2, Vijaya Lakshmi 2, Soumya 2, Vavani 2, Sapna 2, Ubender 2, Mrs. M 2, Mau 2, and Nivedita 2, Rohit also 2. These are the top 10 students. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now go to the next question. This is the next question. Quickly do this one. Read it and do it. Your time starts now. Thirty seconds is enough, I hope. %78, 75% correct answer. Okay, so I forgot. Achha, wherever critical question I will add that. Yes, the habit is not there, right? I should add the option E. Which of the following used to determine the cost of the performance index? Try to answer on the poll, everyone. So here, determine the cost of the performance. Performance is always ratio. Performance, your performance and my performance. Always performance is a ratio, right? We are measuring performance. It is comparative measurement. It is always comparative measurement. So it is like a ratio only. the performance measurement is going on, right? So the performance will be, what is it? Minus definitely not, minus no, it will be ratio type, divide. So here budget of the cost, whatever the budget of the work performed and actual work. In efficiency also we did, whatever work you are doing in networking also, whatever you are doing and the actual work, that is actually performance. So budget cost work performed divide by actual cost work performed, that is the cost performance. It is, we are comparing cost performance. Here it is given budget cost performed divide by budget at completion. No, completion not, actually what is work is going on, that is performance. So actually what is work is going on, that is called performance. So that's why performance will be this, and everyone write it down in your notebook. Definitely write down the questions in your notebook, and means the line in the notebook, so that it will be good for you. Try to use the landscape mode. That will be better, I hope so. If you are using the landscape mode, then you can see this question very clearly. Okay, now next question. Dash intended to show that a system both conform to its specification to meet the expectation of the system customer. What will be the answer? Read the question and answer on the poll. Your time will start now. I will add option E. I have to add option E. Yes, option E I have added. And now answer. Those who are not able to understand, you can answer option E. That is, I am not able to understand. Okay, I can see 63%, 56%, no, 53. 7% students are telling option A, 20% option B, 19%, 15% option C, 52% option D, and 5% option E. I should not say that, otherwise you will be biased. I will not say that. Okay, so this topic you already learned. We already did it in the class, but still you are not getting, because you are not learning. That is the problem. You are not learning it. You are not learning it properly. That is a problem. Why you are not learning this? You should learn, right? Here, dash intended to show the system both confirms the specification and meets the expectation of the customer. We learn verification, validation multiple times. In the software engineering course, where the 45 days crash course going on, there we learn verification and validation difference. Validation means where it is customer expectation you are validating. We are validating the customer expectation, right? That is validation. We learn it. Please go through that. Those who are not able to understand, definitely you did not watch the class. That's why you are not able to understand. So that is clearly this line only we learn in the class. Clearly this is only we did in the class. Before doing practice, you should learn the concept. Definitely learn the concept. This is software validation. It is a direct question. Okay, this is a direct question. Still you are not able to understand. Is this good? Read it. There is no shortcut of success. If you are thinking that I will not watch the class, I will not do the class, ma'am is taking 1 hour, 1.5 hour every day, 2 classes, 3 hours, 2 and 2 to near about 3 hours every day I am taking class in YouTube for 2 subjects. You should watch that, right? Yes. Okay, do this. Do this one. Read it. First read it, understand it, then do it. If I am zooming, then it will go out from screen, Vanita. If I am zooming more, then it will go out from the screen. Those who are not able to do in mobile, you can install the exe file for your laptop. You can use the laptop also. Laptop version is also available. You can use laptop, you can use tab, whatever. If you have a big screen, you can do that. Some students are watching in the like in other means desktop or laptop also. Yes, now your time starts now. Fifty-five, 50% correct answer. %44 correct answer. Achha, anyone is not marking that, I am not able to understand now. That's good. Anyone did not mark that, okay, I am not able to understand, but 44% correct answer. So what will be the answer? See that. Given below are two statements are there. Here assertion reason question. This is the very important question. Assertion reason. Assertion reason is that where assertion means validity checks real need of the system user. That is just now we did. Validity means customer expectation. After the software completion we are doing validity, right? Validation testing. And validity, we were asking for validity, right? Whenever you are taking that here you are taking this course, you are asking, ma'am, validity of the course will be what? I paid 2000 rupees, what is the validity? I am saying yes, till exam, till December the validity will be there, although it is a 2-month course, but till the end of December you can watch the course. So it is till the exam, that is the validity. So it is validity, right? So is this correct or not? This is correct. Now the completeness check the user defined requirement. Is it a complete? You are asking, ma'am, is it complete one, that PYQs all the complete things I will get? Yes, the completeness is there. I will provide you all the PYQs. It's going on here. Yes, I will provide you. Am I getting the PDF? Yes, you will get the PDF. So that is completeness of the defined requirement. Some requirement is there. This is also correct. Both statements are correct. But is this the correct explanation of assertion? Always in assertion reason question, this is a common mistake of the students. You are thinking that both are true. Whenever both are true, then you are doing it is a correct explanation. No. Always ask yourself, in the assertion whatever is given, validity, it is related to validity. Are you getting the answer why it is? Are you getting the answer of why here? Are you there? Answer why. That why the validity check is the real need of system. Is assertion, is the reason is supporting this assertion? The reason is not supporting the assertion here. It's not at all. These are two different statements. One statement is telling about validity, Another statement is telling about completeness. There is no relation between them. They separately both are correct, but there is no relation between them. Assertion reason means reason should justify the assertion. Reason means why it is correct. It should justify. If the justification is not there, if you are not getting the answer of why, then that is not the correct explanation. And that's why it is not the correct explanation of assertion. Those who are doing mistake with option A, that is the thing. And be careful about assertion reason question in paper 1 also, paper 2 also. This is nowadays, it is a pattern. Assertion reason they will ask, and don't do this mistake. Is this clear? Is this clear to everyone? I hope so. It's clear. Swati, update your app. If you are not getting poll, please update your app. Please update your app, those who are not getting poll. Scenario testing, regression testing, component testing, beta testing. Here is the matching. You have to match the question. You have to match the question. Plus read the question, then I will start the poll. Yes, so your time starts now. And I am adding another option E also. Another option E also, I added that. And do this. (88, 83% students are correct. Acha, 3% students are marking option E. You are not able to understand. 4% students are not able to understand because you did not attend the class of software testing. What's the classes, guys? 78% correct. Okay. Achha, we did the testing class. In the testing class, we learned 2 terms to you know definitely. 2 term is very well known, that is regression testing and the beta testing. What was regression testing? Regression testing means till yesterday the system was working fine. Now maybe today you added something new, you did some changes. After that you have to check the complete system is working fine or not. That is regression testing, right? After adding something new, we should check that complete system, that is it affecting the complete system anywhere or not. That is regression testing. Yes. And what was beta testing? Alpha testing, beta testing. There are 2 types of testing, that is acceptance testing. Before starting this course, I took the classes here. We did the beta testing also, and we checked that yes, what are the problem, what are the issues are going on. That is beta testing, what is done by the ultimate user. User are testing in their environment. That is, you tested it. I call the student, come to the class, we will check that yes, it is working fine or not. Even also night 11, 12 also, at that time also we test it. Yes, everything is working fine or not. If now also if you are thinking that yes, the testing, that is the beta testing, what user are doing. These 2 things we did in the class. So with these 2 things only you can do the answer, because here you can see, here the acceptance, user acceptance methodology, acceptance testing. Acceptance testing is what? That is definitely beta testing. So D will be with 2. This is not your answer. This is not your answer. Regression testing. Which one is regression testing? No new bug after the changes of the program. That is regression testing. B will be with 3. So here B is with 1. That is definitely not my answer. I can do the answer. If I don't know the scenario testing and component testing also, by using these two I can do the answer. Yes or no? If I don't know scenario testing and the component testing, then also from these two, whatever you know, you can do the answer. Those who did the class, those who was in the class, you know that. Now you can add these two testing in your testing, because whenever you are solving question, then you will get some new terminology and you should add that in your notebook. So what is scenario testing? From this one only you can see the documentation of the use case. What is the scenario? Use case means how the system will be used. We are drawing the use case diagram. How user will interact with the system. That is the use case. What are the scenario can be happen in the live class? I should start the poll. Students should mark in the poll. There should be the leaderboard option. There should be the raise hand feature. These are the scenarios are there. That is called scenario testing. And component, what are the component? Just now you learn input output component. This is one type of component. Interaction, this is another type of component. Every system have different component. So to verify the input output behavior of the text object, that is the component testing. So this is all the types of testing, and you should add these two testing in your notebook. Whenever you are preparing notes, always I am telling what, whenever you are preparing notes, leave some blank pages. For that chapter, whatever you learn, always leave some blank space and blank pages, because you have to add some new topic whenever you are getting MCQ PYQs. That is the advantage of PYQs. I know two things I should add. Maybe next time you will get more testing, because there are so many things. In beginning we cannot get it, but after doing PYQs MCQs you will get that new things, and you should add it. Now only add it. Be ready with your pen and paper whenever you are coming to the class. Is this clear? Is it stuck? Refresh it, Jivita. Is this stuck? So here you can see I provide here scenario testing, regression testing, component testing and beta testing, all the details of that. Now go to the next. This is the next one. Do this one. Okay, good. All clear. Very good. Very good. Acha, do it. Read it. Understand it. Then I will start the poll. Okay, your time starts now. And I am adding another option. Those who are not able to understand, they can mark on option E. Option E for them, those who are not able to understand. %, 56% correct answer. $43. 40% correct answer. So here, an observational technique, that is observation, what you are observing. Observational, aha ji, try to mark on the poll, okay. Observational technique, that is observation, you are observing something. Observational technique that can use to understand operational process and help to determine requirement for software to support operational process known as, that is ethnography. This term you learn in your paper 1. Ethnography is the cultural study, right? You learn in your paper 1 ethnography research, right? Ethnography, this terminology is very much popular in your UGC net paper 1. Yes, so ethnography is related to the people, where you are people and group, that is the study of culture, that was ethnography, right, in research aptitude. So here also you can relate the term. What is ethnography? Ethnography is the observational technique that can be used to understand the operational process, help to determine the support of the process, and analysis of that himself or herself, that is related to the people and culture. Analysis of the person, himself or herself, in the working environment, it is related to their environment, where they are working, where the system will be used, where you are using the system in their environment, how they are reacting, okay. Day to day work will be observed here, and notes made actual task with the requirement and reflect the actual way people work, how the people is working there, rather than the formal process and defined organization. It is actually related to that concept only, how people are working in that environment. It is focusing on the people, it is focusing on them, where you are working, in which environment you are working. So ethnography is particularly the effective of discovering two types of requirement. First requirement is to derive from the way which people actually work, which people actually work, rather than the way business process. Business process is different, and how people are working, that is different. And another thing is that requirement derived from the cooperation and the awareness, because whenever any work is going on, cooperation is very much important. In an organization, people should cooperate among each other. They should aware about the people activities. That is also another concern of this. That's why here you can see ethnographic analysis is there. After that, this is your chart, and your answer will be here ethnography. Got it? An observational technique that can be used to understand the operational process, help to derive the requirement of the software, that is called ethnography. Is this clear to everyone? I hope so. Yes. So the requirement of doing PYQs, are you able to understand? Because this topic will come only with PYQs. Anyone can't expect that, okay, because at the time of learning we will learn the overview and concept and everything, but whenever you are doing PYQs, then only this you can learn, right? Yes. Now do this one. This is a numerical. This is a numerical given. Do this one. Understand it. Most of you will mark option E. I know that. For this question, so many option E will come. I know that. Option E will come for this. I am adding it, but I know it will be most of the students will mark option E. I am creating the poll. Don't mark the answer. If you don't know, then mark option E. Don't try to recall the answer, please. Don't try to recall the answer. If you don't know, then mark option E. Don't try to recall. If you know, then mark only. If you don't know, then don't mark. Never try to recall the answer. In exam hall you can, if it is an exact question, but now don't do this. Yes, I can see 46% students are marking option E. I know that. It was expected. 40% students are doing correct and 45% students are marking option E, and some students are trying to do with option B and option D. Yes. %45 students don't know. They are not able to understand. No idea. Yes. Ma'am, could you add explanation at least the numeric? Yes, this is whatever you can see in this PDF. I will provide you this PDF only. Whatever you can see in this PDF, whatever in this PDF, I will upload this PDF only. Whatever you can see in the class, that same thing I am uploading, right? So I will upload the same thing. Okay? You will get it. See that. What is here? MTBF, mean time between failure. This is a very, very important. Every time they are asking question from maintenance. Every time one question they are asking from maintenance, that is MTBF, mean time between failure. So in the mean average of the distribution of the product lifetime or between the successive failure, that is mean time between failure. Uptime and downtime, here the comparison is going on with uptime, means what is the time when software is working and what is the time when software is not working. That is uptime, downtime. Okay. So here mean time between failure means start of downtime, when it is started, when maybe the system is not working, and start of uptime. Between them, that is between, right? Maybe 7 to 7:10 the system was not working, so 10 minutes there was downtime, right? And number of failure, how many times system is getting that problem, that is the number of failure. This is called this is the simple formula of mean time between failure. In previous years you will see one question, every time they are asking this mean time between failure related question. Okay, so in the question you can see it was given number here 1 2 3 4, all these 6 4 8 5 6 it was given. So now add these all the numbers 6 4 8 5 6, divide by how many times? Total 5 times. Divide by total 5, that is 29 by 5. You are getting here 29 by 5. So the probability, question was what? The reliability of the system 1 hour operation assuming the exponential model. So here what will be the probability or reliability? It can be asked probability, it can ask reliability also. Probability or reliability of the product work with the failure will be exponential, that is e to the power minus t by mtbf. This is the formula, e to the power minus t by mtbf. T means you to get it, so here opposite one will come, that is it was given t means 1 hour, so 1 by 29 by 5 means it will be 5 by 29. 1 by 29 by 5, if I am doing it, 1 by minus 1 by 29 by 5. Here is the problem of writing little bit. So 29 by 5 e to the power minus 5 by 29, that will come, right? So answer will be e to the power minus 5 by 29. That's why they provide you in this format, because they know that you don't have calculator. Without calculator you cannot calculate, right? If you are calculating, then your answer will be like this. You can see this answer, but without calculator, till this step only you can do. That's why they give you this one only. Is this clear? Clear to everyone? Yes. So now after doing this UGC NET 2023, this was all the question. June. Now we will do 11th March, but till June all this question we did. So here is the view leaderboard. I can see Deepa, Soumya, Nivedita, Rohit and Bijayarani, Bishoppriya, Sathya. All are 8 out of 8. But I want to ask you that last question was clear. Without understanding you mark, or you know that understanding then you mark? Without understanding, please don't mark any option, okay? That is a suggestion for you. And after that, Vijaya Lakshmi, Bhavani, Sapna. Vijaya Lakshmi, Bhavani, Sapna is 7. I can see that 10% in the leaderboard. This is the leaderboard for the June. Okay. Acha, now tell me how you are feeling. I can see some raise hand. I will go to the next. Before that, let me accept the call. Swati, hi.
Hi ma'am, good morning.
Good morning. How you are feeling?
Yeah, it's fine madam. I was a paid member in the Unacademy and now also you gave the opportunity to listen that this course.
Yeah. You all are open. This is open for you. I know that you already paid the amount. I don't want to waste your money. That's why I gave you this opportunity. Are you feeling happy now?
Yes ma'am, so much happy. And anyway, I know that you will support always.
Yeah. Thank you.
Even if any problem is there, I listen. I thought that your recorded class will be there. From that I can learn. I thought, madam, but you gave this course for us.
Yeah. So I am trying to provide you the platform where you can practice, like you can interactive way we can work and all, how we are so that there will be no problem for you. I hope there is, now you are not facing any problem, right?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, good. Be ready every day, come to the class.
Sure ma'am, sure.
Anything else you want to say?
Nothing ma'am. Previously I am not getting the leaderboard, sorry, that poll I am not getting. That's why I raised the hand.
Now you are getting, right?
Yes ma'am, I updated that.
Yeah,
and
after updation you will get. That is good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sapna, Dimple, you want to say anything?
Good morning.
Yes. Who
This
is this?
Swapna ma'am.
Sapna, yes. Tell me.
It's very good session ma'am. It's very useful for us. Listening classes at the same time we are attempting PYQs. So whatever the topics we have completed in the class, you are making the same topics as a PYQs. It is very important very useful for us.
Yeah. That is my planning. Whatever we learn, we should practice the PYQs, definitely.
Yes ma'am, it's very useful for us.
Enjoying? You are enjoying the class?
Yes ma'am.
Good. Very good.
Thank you ma'am.
Yes. Who else? But those who done, they can remove the calls. Swati is done, and it is Sapna, right?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, I am removing you so that others can get the chance. Dimple, Aha, are you there? Dimple, Aha ji, Parkavi, Kaveri, I accept your call.
Hello ma'am, good morning ma'am.
Good morning.
This is me Asha ma'am, that is not Aha, it's Asha.
Asha, but it is A-A-H-A.
Yes, by mistake it is Aha.
Okay, so edit your name, okay, Asha. Hi
yes,
Asha.
Sure ma'am, it's a great, hello ma'am, very happy to speak with you. It's a great session. While we are going to listen your classes, we feel comfortable and we feel what we understood everything. We can easily handle or we can easily answer for every question. We feel like that while we are going to listen your classes. But when we are going to attend the PYQ or MCQs, then we know actually what's the burden and that where we have to lagging off. So it's time to still more practice required, ma'am.
Exactly.
So that's what I feel. Yeah.
Exactly. Practice is
But thank
very
you very
important.
much, ma'am. Make more sessions of this PYQ and MCQs. That will be helpful for us to again, more perfect.
Yeah, definitely. This session will be going on till the November. Your exam is in December, so end of November it will be.
Sure, ma'am. And one request, ma'am. In the month of November also we have a KCET exam. For that also, if you
yeah,
some information
in this course only I will add the KCET questions also.
Thank you so much.
Don't worry, I will add that.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So Asha, I am removing. Parkavi, do you want to say anything? Parkavi, Dimple. Okay, so all are done. Okay, now let's do the next. Yes, all are done. Now let's do the next. After that we can